point, we have imported all the keywords to our site. We have built the proper structure with, in this case, 5 categories, all having different and unique keywords here inside of the category. Next step here is to start to add content on the site. Now, in order to do that, you will need to use P1 Content Curator. And P1 Content Curator, what it does, it gives you these 2 buttons that allows you to do absolutely everything. And here's what you can do. You can select an individual keyword and generate WordPress posts for individual keyword, or you can select the entire category. And you can see there is a bunch of keywords right inside of the category. Click this Generate WordPress Posts, and it's going to open the screen where you have bunch of options. So let me quickly explain what these options are. So first, we select the category where we want to publish this. The next one, you have 2 choices, whether you want to publish in a draft mode or publish it right away. And if you publish right away, you can schedule how many posts you want to publish per day. So for example, a big authority sites might have 10, 15 posts per day. Smaller sites could be 5, 3 a day, but you just need to schedule it once and it will be automatic for you. We also have automatic video description, so we can have schema.org markup for all our videos. And we also can include the spin of the title and description to make it as unique as possible. You can also select the media placement where you can change it accordingly. So you can say, for example, I want to place video randomly. So now video one time will be on the top of the page, another one will be in the middle of the page, another one on the top and the bottom. To be random, making your page or post looking different. Then we can enable additional content from easy articles. You just need to select this, whether you want to enable it or not. You can also check whether you want to include the author box or not. If you want to include it, you just check this box. If you don't, you just uncheck it like this. And then you also can enable spinning for the generated content from easy articles, making it unique as possible. And now you have a content quality control as well, which will make sure that there's no duplicate content on your site, so you don't risk with some Google penalties and stuff like that. So here's what it says. Automatically publish content if content duplication according to Copyscape is less than, and you can select the percentage which you want, 10, 15. By default we select 25 because that's what we have found from our sites is the best for results. And then if it's going to be more, you have 2 choices. You can set post status to draft, so you can later on go and edit it manually if you want to make sure that everything is according to the quality standard that you want on your site, or you can just delete the post to make sure that it never shows up on the site and you don't need to bother about it at all. So I'm going to set this to publish on the status on the draft, and now I'm going to schedule, and what it's going to do, schedule everything for my marketing category so I don't need to do anything afterwards. So let me just click this button right now, start curation, and as you can see, it's going automatically to curation. And here is the status update. And what the status update says, as you can see, there is a yellow button. It says that generation is in progress, and it's going to be queued automatically, and every single day based on your schedule there will be posts showing up. And as you can see, it's in progress. 0.4 posts are in generation progress. So this is how you can add content to an entire category in seconds, or you can select an individual post and do absolutely the same, where you can just publish it now if you want to. So if you want to generate posts for this keyword right away, you just select now, you placements here, and it's going to generate posts right away. The other option that is very powerful here is that you can obviously curate content manually as well. So you go to the post or page editor and you automatically get these buttons right here where you can just click add content, search for whatever keyword you want, for example video marketing. You search for the keyword, it's going to return results, and now you can see which page you want to choose from the results it returns. So you can select this one, for example, and it's going to add this one to your post right away. Next, you can add the video. Again, you can search video marketing, for example. You will search YouTube and you can select whichever video you want. You select it. Here you can change the description, you can change the thumbnail size, everything you want, and you can just insert the video automatically. It's going to show up somewhere in the content. Then you can obviously spin everything from here. You can check the quality. We have the copy scape to make sure that it's unique and there's no duplication. And literally that's how you can curate content automatically, and it's going to work perfectly together, building content rich pages that are unique, Google approved, so you can get results quickly. Now that's not it. Another incredible feature that you are going to find in P1 Content Curator is that multi-author curation. So basically you can go inside of each and every of these categories, and you can start to select multiple authors for that category. So you can select either a specific author, or you can select authors randomly, or you can just select administrator. And what it does, it basically turns your website from a single author website to a multi-author authority site. And it's super, super powerful, because I have never seen a true authority website where there is just one content publisher, one author. So as you can see, it's very, very quickly. You just click the buttons here on the site manager. Right here, you can generate keywords, or you go and manually do curation from here, or you select authors specifically, making your website look unique, look authoritative, and get results quickly. So that's how P1 Content Curator works.